MELAtrace Pro combines the process of cleaning and disinfection with sterilization. To obtain a complete documentation of the entire decontamination process, please start with loading the washer-disinfector. You can now select the load elements and add them to or remove them from the washer-disinfector load. Use the plus and minus keys to adjust the number of load elements. Load elements that are not added to MELAtrace Pro yet can be entered under Miscellaneous. To do so, please write the designation of the load element in the text box and then click on the plus symbol. Alternatively, you can optimize your loading process using standard batches. To save time, you can add a predefined load configuration to the washer-disinfector with just a single click. Click on the small triangle in front of the standard batch name to open the load configuration. Please use the Add button to load the washer-disinfector with the selected standard batch. Confirm the washer-disinfector load with Completed and then start a cleaning and disinfection program on MELAtherm.